So we just picked up this Harbor Freight U.S. General toolbox, and we're going to see what this is all about. All right, what you got? Where'd you get it? What you got?
42-inch in a slate gray. Just let me go ahead and show it to you.
That's a good way to do it. Pull it off, slow it down. Take it all off. Gonna dance for us? Drop it. Ooh, that's pretty.
It would be cool. I'm gonna put the handles on so we can.
That's gonna be even better, right? Starter set, right?
Yes. Might be locked.
That probably would be it. It's probably locked.
Like 700 keys. You know, it's probably the same key that you have in there for the other one.
Shh, don't tell everybody.
Maybe. Might be kind of. Oh.
So what you expected starting out, something good for a starter, right? I like the colors.
Where's the handles at?
They're gonna be in one of the drawers. Try the bottom one.
There's a ramp. Get it off there.
It's alright. You good showing everybody what you got? Look at it, smile. I'm over here. Everybody's over here looking at you.
I am not finding them.
What?
Ah, the last drawer.
Yeah, the bottom one.